Christmas cake. Kerstel. A dessert from Netherlands. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Soak the raisins and cranberries in the liqueur overnight. Drain. Step 2. Knead the cinnamon, vanilla extract, orange zest, fruits and nuts into the dough. Step 3. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and sprinkle with some flour. Place the dough on the paper and form an oval shape approximately 8 inches by 12 inches. Roll the almond paste or marzipan into a log of around 10 inches. Step 4. Fold the dough over the almond paste lengthwise and gently pinch to brush the top with water and bake for approximate 45 minutes rise or in a warm place until double. Step 5. Cool on a wire rack and brush with melted butter. Dust with icing sugar before serving the bread in thick slices. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.